प्यारे बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप। आज बच्चों हम स्ट्रेट लाइन की कुछ और एप्लीकेशन करने जा रहे हैं। एक्सरसाइज 10.1 क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x such that the point x, -1, 2, 1 and 4, 5 are collinears. Collinears are those points which lies on a same straight line. 3 points are collinears, then the area of the triangles ABC must be equal to 0. If 3 points are collinears, then there is a condition that AB must be parallel to BC. This is also the condition of that the 3 points are collinears. AB must be parallel to BC, where B is the common point of these both line segments. And third is the equation of the line passing through AB must satisfy the third point, then these points are also collinears. So in this case, we have to adopt the method of slopes. Let us find the slope of AB. The slope of line segment AB is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, that is 1 plus 1 upon 2 minus x. 2 upon 2 minus x. This is the slope of the line segment AB. Now let us find the slope of the line segment BC or AC. The slope of BC is equal to, again by applying the formula of y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, we get 5 minus 1 upon 4 minus 2, that is 4 upon 2, that is equal to 2. This is the slope of the line segment BC. But according to the questions, these 3 points are collinears. दिया हुआ है कि ये 3 पॉइंट कोलिनियर है, तो अपने आप खुद ही हमने स्लोप ऑफ AB इज इक्वल टू स्लोप ऑफ BC कर देना है, बिकॉज दे आर कोलिनियर, इट इज गिवन टू यू, हेंस AB मस्ट बी पैरेलल टू BC, देयरफॉर देयर स्लोप मस्ट बी इक्वल. स्लोप ऑफ AB इज इक्वल टू स्लोप ऑफ BC गिव्स 2 upon 2 minus x is equal to 2 upon 1. Therefore 2 is equal to 4 minus 2x. Taking 2x to the left side, we get 2x is equal to 4 minus 2. Therefore, 2x is equal to 2, hence x is equal to 1. This is the value of x for which these 3 points A, B and C must be collinear. So, this is the answer. That's all. Now question number 9, without using distance formula, show that -2, -1, 4, 0, 3, 3 and -3, 2 are the vertices of a parallelogram without using the distance formula. But in case if we have to use the distance formula, then we have to find 6 times distance formula. First of all, AB, BC distance, CD distance and AD distance. AB must be equal to CD and BC must be equal to AD distance. Opposite sides must be equal. And then again find the diagonals. Diagonal AC must be equal to diagonal BD. In case of rectangle and in case of parallelogram, the diagonal AC will not be equal to diagonal BD. This is the method of distance formula to prove that ABCDA is a parallelogram. 6 बार डिस्टेंस फार्मूला लगाना है, 6 बार, 4 बार साइड्स और 2 बार डायगोनल्स. अपोजिट साइड इक्वल होनी चाहिए और डायगोनल अनइक्वल होने चाहिए इन केस ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम. और इन केस ऑफ रेक्टेंगल्स अपोजिट साइड्स इक्वल होनी चाहिए और डायगोनल भी आपस में इक्वल होने चाहिए, तो रेक्टेंगल होगी। तो दिस इज द केस ऑफ डिस्टेंस फार्मूला, बट वी हैव नॉट टू अडॉप्ट द मेथड ऑफ डिस्टेंस फार्मूला, वी हैव अडॉप्ट द मेथड ऑफ स्लोप, slope of AB, slope of BC, slope of CD and slope of AD, ये चार स्लोप निकालनी है और अपोजिट साइड्स की स्लोप सेम होनी चाहिए, इक्वल होनी चाहिए, hence opposite sides are parallel, hence it will be a parallelogram. So let us discuss this method. And midpoint of the diagonals should be same. Midpoint diagonal bisect each other. This is the unique property of the parallelogram. So let us discuss slope of AB is equal to 0 plus 1 upon 4 plus 2, that is 1 by 6. This is slope of AB by applying the formula of y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Slope of BC, slope of side BC, 3 minus 0 upon 3 minus 4, that is 3 upon minus 1, that is minus 3. Now slope of CD, slope of side CD is equal to 2 minus 3 upon minus 3 minus 3 minus 1 upon minus 6, that is 1 by 6. And at last slope of AD. Now slope of AD will be given by slope of AD is equal to या DA 2 plus 1 upon minus 3 plus 2, that is equal to 3 upon minus 1, that is again minus 3. So it is clear that slope of AB is equal to slope of BC and slope of CD is equal to slope of AD. Opposite sides are parallel. Now let us find the midpoints of the diagonals of these quadrilaterals. The midpoint of the diagonal AC, that is equal to minus 2 plus 3 upon 2 comma minus 1 and plus 3 upon 2, that is equal to plus 1 upon 2, 2 upon 2, that is equal to 1 by 2 comma 1. This is the midpoint of the diagonal AC of that quadrilateral, and midpoint of the diagonal BD is equivalent to 4 minus 3 upon 2 comma 0 plus 2 upon 2, that is equal to 1 by 2 comma 2 by 2, that is equivalent to 1 by 2 comma 1. Again say the midpoints of the diagonals of the quadrilaterals ABCD bisect each other. They are same. Midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of PD, and opposite sides are parallel. Hence, it is a parallelogram. Therefore, opposite sides are parallel and midpoint bisect each other. Hence, it is a parallelogram. Hence, the result. Because the midpoint of the diagonals AB and AC are same and opposite sides are parallel. Hence, A, B, C, D are the vertices of a parallelogram. Hence, the result. And that's all. Our question number 4. Find the point on x-axis which is equidistant from the point 6, 7, 6 and 3, 4. Equidistance means बराबर दूरी पर, और x एक्सिस के ऊपर पॉइंट है तो वैल्यू ऑफ y कोऑर्डिनेट that is also called ordinate must be 0. Any point on the x-axis is of the type of x, 0. A, 0. X, 0 is the point on the x-axis. So first of all, let us assume that let x, 0 is the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from 7, 6 and 3, 4. Solution: let R x, 0 be the point on x-axis which is equidistant from point A, 7, 6 and B, 3, 4. Let this is the point on the x-axis. Therefore, by this condition, we get AR distance must be is equal to BR distance. Because it is given to you that the point R x, 0 is equidistant from A and B. Therefore, this distance must be equal. Scaling, we get AR modulus K and BR distance square. Applying the distance formula from A and R. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square root. और स्क्वायर लेना है इसका तो स्क्वायर रूट गायब. x minus 7 square plus 0 minus 6 square is equal to. Similarly, BR x minus 3 square plus 0 minus 4 square. Not take square root because this square cut the square root of the distance formula. Now this becomes x square plus 49 minus the 14x plus 36 and equal to x square plus 9 minus 6x plus 60. Cutting x square by x square. We get taking the variable x to the one side, left hand side, and other constant to the right hand side, we get minus 14x plus 6x is equal to 9 plus 60 minus 49 and minus 36. Now minus 14x plus 6x, it becomes minus 8x is equal to 25 minus 5 minus 85. Now this becomes minus 8x is equal to 0 and 6 and negative. Hence, dividing by minus 8, we get x is equal to minus 60 upon 8 minus 8, cutting minus by minus, and 4 2s are 8, and 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Therefore, x is equal to 15 upon 2. This is the value of x. Hence, 15 upon 2, comma 0 is the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from the given two points. Hence, therefore, 15 upon 2, comma 0 is the point on x-axis which is equidistant from the given two points. That's all.